How to use a divorce paralegal to save money and time. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce and want to avoid spending thousands on attorney fees, you might be wondering if there's a better, more affordable way. The good news is there is. Let's talk about how working with a divorce paralegal can save you both money and time. In California, if your divorce is amicable, you don't need to hire an attorney. A registered legal document assistant, like us at Divorce 661, can prepare and file all your paperwork, handle your disclosures, and even draft your settlement agreement. It's the same process as an attorney would follow, but for a fraction of the cost. We charge flat fees instead of hourly rates, so you'll know exactly what you're paying up front. Plus, we file everything electronically with the courts, helping you avoid delays and rejections that often happen when people try to do it on their own. For example, we recently helped a couple who had started their divorce with attorneys. After spending over $5,000 with no progress, they came to us. We took over, finalized everything within 3 weeks, and saved them thousands in the process. At Divorce 661, we've built our service around speed, affordability, and making things easy. We handle all the technical and legal details, so you don't have to worry about the process or the paperwork. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and professional way to get divorced, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll walk you through the process and help you get it done right the first time.